Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I finally got my hands on this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I know it was released almost 2 years ago, but I finally decided to pick one up. I paid around $729 from Costco due to inflation and also tariff. I'm curious to see at this high price point if it's still worth it. In this video, we are going to unbox it, check it out inside, and also take very first look at this pocket-sized powerhouse. Let's dive in. So I got the Capture More combo from Costco. It includes 64GB micro SD, mini tripod, and also a battery handle. Now let's take a look. So this is a battery handle. This is Osmo Pocket 3. Mini tripod. And this is 64GB micro SD. I probably will upgrade to a larger one, like 128 would be good. So in the DJI Pocket 3 box, it comes with some stickers, instructions manual, quick guide, a warranty card, and this is everything in the box. This is protection case, USB-C cable, wrist strap, SD card. This is Pocket 3. This is a mini tripod, a handle, and this is the extended battery. This one just really tiny extra handle. I think if you use this battery extender handle, then there's no need to use this one. So this is pretty much everything inside this box. This Pocket 3 definitely feels pretty small when you grab it, and it's going to be kind of short for the handle. That's why they give you an extension handle, so you can just plug in. And now it definitely feels better. You have more things to grip when you're shooting videos, and when you just want to let it go, just press the button and then pull it out. Same thing for the extension batteries. So this is rechargeable battery. It can extend this battery life. You can just push in and also use it like a handle, and at the same time it charges your device. So this is pretty convenient to use. And for this tripod, you can definitely use it as another handle, but I don't think it's necessary. So mainly if you're shooting time lapse or just taking a selfie, you can just lay this down. And how to turn this on, you just have to tear this piece of paper and just swipe it. You can select your language. You need to activate this, download DJI app, and then to activate your product. But the button itself kind of feels like when you do the drones, that's how you rotate it up and down. Alright, so this pretty much just setting this thing up, but this is everything inside the DJI Pocket 3. This is pretty much the end of this unboxing video. This Pocket 3 is really small and definitely fit in my pocket. In the next video, I'll teach you guys how to actually using these cameras, gimbals to shooting videos and how to set it up. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure you give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.